in terms of what we're talking about Azadari terminology, Azadari is everything from wearing black clothes to going to majlis and also over to doing sinazani and doing bloodletting for Imam Hussein alayhi salam. In terms of my opinion regarding this, in terms of the bloodletting part of it, I believe we should follow our marja and our taqleed, and that's what they're there for. So whoever your marja or your taqleed is, that's who we follow in regards of when we're praying, in regards of whether we're doing anything. And especially in regards to Azadari, the marja have basically given their fatwas on it. So my opinion doesn't really count because I'm a layman. We attend the majlises, we do sinazani. Inshallah, I want to do Kamazani. Inshallah, I'm just mentally preparing myself for it. I want to do it for the best of intentions. According to my marja, it's allowed, so therefore it's not a debate for me. Many things that we do during Muharram. There's so many acts of Azadari. It's so expansive that it's not limited. So you'll find when we actually talk about Azadari, no matter where you go from China to America, everyone's got their own way of doing or commemorating or mourning for Imam Hussein alayhi salam and what happened in Karbala. So I have my things that I do. Some of them are quite personal, which I don't want to discuss. Other things we do in group gatherings. So that's it really. At the moment, there's massive debate regarding Azadari. It's a very sensitive subject for all Shia people. We're talking about Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and we don't know how deep that well goes in terms of the passions that we have for him. So, essentially speaking, when it comes to yourselves or myself, we have to follow taqleed and we have to follow marja. We should be doing this anyway. This is training for us when Imam Zaman alayhi salam comes. So, essentially, we should be following them in whoever your marja is, you follow them in every act and you don't question it. And that if we had this, if people were doing what I personally believe, if people were following the taqleed and their marja before, we wouldn't even have this debate right now. Because people will be respecting each other. The fact that people, I don't want to judge anyone, but people who don't follow the taqleed and haven't read the Risala of the Marjaha, then it's going to cause an issue, and the issue which we have is just a manifestation of, I would say, I don't know, a type of ignorance within the community and with ourselves.